Hey guys, I'm here today to do an update on my Peeping Pan project pan. This was a project that was designed by the Pantastic Ladies on Facebook, and the goal is to have 4 to 6 items in the project at all times and try to hit pan on them. So, as you can probably see, I have hit pan on a new item. This is my Foxy eyeshadow from my Naked 2 palette. This is a rolling project pan, so as I hit pan on something, it gets moved out and something new gets moved in. So this is actually going to be moved out as of now. And I think I have finished 2 things so far in this project, or hit pan on 2 things so far in this project. Indianwood paint pot by MAC and a MAC foundation. So these are my current items, and I'll go ahead and show them to you. This is an eyeshadow from MAC in Noble Touch. So you can see kind of my progress there, wearing down the sides. This is a domed product, so I kind of knew this was going to be in this project for a long time, but I have been getting a good amount of use out of it. This is my Pacifica eyeshadow I added in last time. It doesn't have a name, and I didn't really use it at all until recently. So I have started using it, and it is really pretty, so that was exciting. I have actually been weighing my items, and on this eyeshadow I have gotten 0.02 grams of use, but I forgot to weigh the Pacifica when I introduced it, so I'll have an update on that for next time. Then I have Tease, which is a eyeshadow from the Naked 2 palette, and this has also seen 0.02 grams of use. I started using it more recently, so hopefully I'll get some pan on it going soon. I kind of stupidly added it because this one is similar as well, so, you know, not the smartest, but I did get 0.01 grams of usage on this, and I have been really trying to focus on using up these 2 colors a little more now that I hit pan on the other one I had. And then this is my Hylamide photography foundation. This is the line that I'm trying to hit, and this was the original line. And honestly, I don't remember using this at all, so it's gone down a little bit from the line, but not really very much. I'm gonna try to start using it next month more, but it really does stick to like dry areas on my skin, so I don't know. I did see 0.04 grams of usage, so I must have used it once. So I do need to add in a new item. An eyeshadow does really seem like the easiest thing to add in. So I will go ahead and add in this eyeshadow. So this is also from my Naked 2 palette. I've been trying to hit pan on them and then get rid of the shadows just because they're old. So this is Half Baked, and I will weigh it and be able to track weight for the next update. Thanks for watching. Bye.